Grazie mille, I needed that.
Of course.
My car broke down on my way here.
It has got to be a Lamborghini, Miss Poppy, is it?
Mr. Enzo Ferrari, finally we meet. Please join me at my table.
No, Miss Poppy, my table is the best one here. Come join me.
I am in Modena, 1963, and I just got invited by the legendary Enzo Ferrari to join him for dinner, and I want to put an end to this Lamborghini versus Ferrari drama. Yes, you are looking right at 2026. Say hi to my viewers.
Subscribe to Poppy's channel. Buonasera.
And what better dress to wear for tonight? Outfit check? Since I am in Italy, it is only fitting to wear this beautiful 2026 Valentino dress that matches tonight's vibes.
Miss Poppy.
In 2026, people are still obsessed with your beef with Mr. Lamborghini.
Carne?
Oh, sorry, drama.
No drama. We build the greatest cars ever made. Lamborghini builds tractors.
The most famous rivalries in automotive history.
Then history has very low standard. Eat, Miss Poppy.
Buonissimo. So, back to Lamborghini.
He knows nothing about cars.
What would he say if he hears you?
I would say, don't listen to him. Let's not compare horses to bulls.
And when did you win a Formula One championship, eh?
Wow, this is such a viral moment.
Oh, this is a smartphone. You can call people, take pictures, videos, browse the internet, and more.
Who invented this smartphone? It doesn't look so smart. This is maybe the first time that I agree with Enzo.
Okay, phone away.
So, Miss Poppy, what is your favorite car?
It has got to be the Testarossa 1988, sorry.
So I am sitting with two people who don't understand what exciting means. If it's not a Diallo, it's not a supercar.
A perfect moment to comment below your favorite car.
Ma, leave her alone. She got taste.
Says the man wearing sunglasses indoors. Ma, go fix your car's clutch.
This tiramisu is so good, I'm not even offended by what I just heard. I feel I am between a divorcing couple. You know what's funny? People don't even argue about Ferrari versus Lamborghini anymore.
I don't know if I am ready for what you will say, Miss Poppy.
Now people argue about whether cars should be petrol or electric, and most people don't even drive them anymore. They just take a selfie next to them.
Electric! Electric car? Like a silent washing machine? Like a fridge where you keep your gelato? Can you imagine? A machine that vacuums your garage but also takes you to town?
What a night. Two legendary stubborn men, one drama, a history to relive again and again. Comment below who you want me to meet next, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like the video. I will see you back in 2026.